do actually do things like change the oil regularly and whatnot. Car just passed 100,000. I've never had any major issues.
Until now.
Until now. I'm the second owner, but it was good friends of mine who had it before. They always took care of it, so yeah. Like I said, it was just hadn't been noticing any issues.
It is smoking out there. So nice if there's any metal in there. No metal.
That's always a good thing.
Yeah.
That's not to have metal floating around in your engine oil.
Looks like you had some rodents that wouldn't be in here.
Did you say rodents?
Yeah, I got to see some.
Well, that could be. I mean, there were squirrels around where my apartment, and an oak tree, and
yeah,
so they're around all the time.
Okay. Right now, what I'm doing, I want to make sure that your connectors, and all your wires are
where they're supposed to be.
Yeah. As many different things can cause your knocking.
Yeah.
And all that. Forget my flashlight. I'll be right back. This is my stethoscope.
Okay.
You haven't noticed any leaks?
I haven't.
Okay.
And I've taken it to a mechanic in Beaverton, I think in February.
Yeah.
Because of the noise. Couldn't tell what it was. And they did all their, like, on the computer diagnostic.
Yeah.
Stuff was okay, but it was a lug nut on the wheel that was loose.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, I can see what they're doing.
Yeah.
It wasn't anything. Why did it seem like they were just trying to get me to do a bunch of stuff, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing they did. Can you imagine $215 for a stupid lug nut?
What?
And if we had seen it, and that's all like oil change service, and that's because the car was running some tires. Yeah, all this flushes, you know.
Yeah.
The only thing that fuel induction, is that something that could have caused today's thing? Like, that was just service. It's servicing it because it was hitting 100,000.
Air and fuel induction? That's, I don't think so.
Yeah. The rest of it's just service stuff.
Yeah.
You know?
If you go ahead and start it up for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard that right.
Now if I accelerate a little bit again.
Yeah, press on it. Alright. So, if you want to come here real quick,
Sure.
I already know what your problem is.
Okay.
So, you have what's called blow-by.
Okay.
And it's on your rings. So, the exhaust, the pressure from the oil is going up into through here.
Okay.
You hear that sound?
Yeah.
That's the pistons and all that.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's what's making up. So you have either a bad pistons or a bad crankshaft or valve.
That all sounds.
That's internal engine. So
Yeah.
it's gonna have. But see how it's rattling like that?
Yeah.
It should be steady and smooth. So that you're definitely not driving over the hill.
Okay.
Because that engine could go on you.
Yeah. So what do I do?
Be
in here until I'm okay?
Yeah. The only thing you can do is have it towed.
Oh my gosh.
It's less when it's not like that. Yeah, go ahead and turn it off. Yeah, that's going to be an internal. We're going to have to dig in. They're going to have to start off removing the intake and all that, and then see where the valves and the springs, and then they're going to have to go. If everything looks good, then they're going to have to go further into the engine and all that. But yeah, like I said, you have with that blow by there, you won't make it over the hill. So you'd have to have the vehicle towed back over to Portland.
Yeah.
Or let's see, Kia. I don't know. The only dealership we hit. Well, let's see here. If you wanted to leave the vehicle in town, the person I would recommend would be Bart's leak repair, but he does everything. And if he can't do it, then I'm not sure what his availability is for this coming up week.
Yeah. What do I do with that? You know, what do I do without a vehicle?
Yeah.
Now you have rental places.
No. Nope.
Here.
No, we don't.
Maybe in Lincoln. How far are you from Lincoln City?
Lincoln City is like an hour away.
Yeah. Is that your next closest?
Yeah. And,
If anything.
Yeah. The only other place up in Warrenton, and where the dealerships are up there.
I don't even know where that is exactly.
It's just north of Seaside.
Oh.
It's right between. It's about 8 miles from Astoria.
Gotcha.
And
yeah, that